Let's talk about BTSKY Stainless Steel Beverage Dispenser Replacement Spigot Juice Cold Drink Wine Barrel Faucet 16mm 58-inch. Stainless steel beverage dispenser or wine barrel. Be a good dispenser for wine, water and other beverage. Wash before use. Wash before use. If necessary, use 34-inch wrench for the nut, do not over-tighten. Please do not be used as a water tap. Do not over-tighten. Clean thoroughly after each use, keep in open position for storage. Disappointing low flow. Tap spout itself very nicely made. Shame the handle is a little sharp to the touch. All in all, very happy with it. It is doing the job. Great construction. Sturdier than the original plastic spigot that came with my British Berkefeld water filter.